Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Guys, here from Jacksonville, Florida. How you doing? I hope you all are having a wonderful day. But I wanted to cut this quick video. As you know, I like to do videos about the trainings that the guys and gals over at MLSP put out. So this is a training that you want to be on, and I didn't title this video "How to Grow Your Business with Facebook Messenger Marketing," focusing on a program called ManyChat. As it says here, 3 simple steps to get 3 to 5 plus customers per week into any business without prospecting a single person. Turn messenger conversations into customer and sales on complete autopilot. Now, I have to admit that I have never used ManyChat, and I have never used Facebook Messenger automatically to try to get someone into my business. But I will be on this training, learning and seeing how to use it. And if you're a business person like me, you want to know of different ways that you can actually grow your business. So this coming Wednesday is when the webinar will be on. It's a totally free training as always. It will be on this November 7th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The clock is ticking. Now, the presenter of it is my good friend Antonio Thompson. Very sharp guy. He knows his stuff. He has become an expert on Facebook Messenger and ManyChat. Now, what are you going to learn? 3 simple steps to generate hyper-responsive leads, sales, and enrollments in your business in 30 minutes or less without blogging, posting in hundreds of Facebook groups, or hosting webinars. How to engage your prospects through meaningful messaging and strategic qualifying questions. How to shorten your sales process by answering questions, handling objections, and making sales inside of Messenger. Now, this is very powerful. I mean, if you use Facebook, then you need to be on this training. Again, Antonio has spent a lot of time, has spent almost a couple of years into really developing this skill set to be able to teach it to other people like you and I. So I will leave a link at the bottom. Like I said, this webinar is on this coming Wednesday, November the 7th. So if you're watching this after November the 7th, then you're probably not going to be watching the webinar if you're watching it after. But do sign up for it. Take advantage of it. Take advantage of the free training. You can keep your money in your pocket. You don't have to buy or purchase anything if you don't want to. It's just free training to help you build your business. And that's why I have this channel. I want to provide you guys with tools, resources, things that you can use to build your business, and things that you can use for free. So there it is. So I always want to remind you guys too that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, on the very right there, click that little bell so that you're notified of any new videos that I do put out, such as this valuable training on a weekly basis that MLSP offers. That is it, guys. Again, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I wish you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you on the next video. God bless you. Peace.